welcome to students to KKC channel, and this is episode 2, Introduction to Trigonometry. Today we will study a new formula, that is tan theta. We know tan theta is equal to P by B. P by B. If we divide H in numerator and denominator, what happens? P by H by B by H. P by H you know sin theta, and B by H you know cos theta. So the new formula is tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Next, cot theta, you know B by H. If you divide H in numerator and denominator, then B by H by P by H is equal to B by H you know cos theta, and P by H you know sin theta. So cot theta new formula is cos theta by sin theta. So now tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. Next, now we study trigonometry ratio of some specific angle. Before we know the formula, that is for general, there is no specific value to the angle. Now this first specific angle is 45 degree. How can we measure 45 degree? Sin 45, cos 45, tan 45, cot 45, sec 45, cosec 45. Look, this is a right angle isoscale triangle. This one is right angle isoscale triangle. Okay. For this right angle isoscale triangle, this is equal to this. So AB is equal to SC. So let it be A and let it be A. So this one is A and this one is A. Then this is hypotenuse. So what is the value of SC? SC is equal to a square plus a square root over h square is equal to we know h square is equal to p square plus b square. So h is equal to p square plus b square root over. That's why a is this SC is equal to a square plus a square root over. That is equal to a square 2a square root over 2a square is equal to root 2a. So sin 45, that is sin A. Sin A is equal to what happens? Sin A is equal to P by H. This one is P, this one is P. This one is P and this one is B. So P by H means BC by SC. BC by SC. BC is A, SC is root 2A. A cancel, that is 1 by root 2. Then cos A is equal to cos A. This adjacent B by H. This one is H. B by H, that is AB by SC. That means A by root 2A. A cancel, that 1 by root 2. Like that tan A, you know sin A by cos A. Just before I am telling the new formula, tan A is equal to sin A by cos A. So sin A is 1 by root 2, cos A is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2 cancel up is equal to 1. Next, cot A. Cot A you know 1 by tan A. Tan A is equal to 1 by 1. Tan A you know 1. That is 1 by 1, that is 1. Then sec A is reverse of cos A. Before we cos A know 1 by root 2. That reverse is root 2. Then cosec A is equal to 1 by sin A. And sin A you know 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 is equal to root 2. Okay. Now the table is. But now sin 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, tan 45 1, cot 45 1, sec 45 root 2, cosec 45 root 2. This is the table. Okay. Next we go how can we measure 60 degree or 30 degree. Look, this is a equilateral triangle. This one is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means this is 60, this is 60 and this is total 60. Now I draw a AD perpendicular or height. What happen? It bisect the base into two equal half. So this one is, let it be 2a, this one is 2a, total is 2a. So this one is A and this one is A and this one is 90 degree. Okay. Now this is A, this is 2A, then AD is equal to AD. This is, if we look for this triangle, what happens? This half triangle, then this is a right angle triangle. Okay, and this one is hypotenuse. This one is hypotenuse. So this A, what is the value of AD? AD is equal to कौन? AB square minus BD square root over. AB is 2A, 2A whole square minus A square. 2A, 4A square minus A square. 4A square minus A square, 3A square root over root 3A. So AD is equal to how much? Root 3A. AD is root 3A. Okay. Look over sine 60. Sine 60 means this one is 60. Sine 60 means the front side of 60. The front side or the opposite side of 60. Because this one is P by H. Opposite side is AD by hypotenuse AB. So AD is root 3A by 2A. AA cancel root 3 by 2. Next cosec 60. Cosec 60 is, now cosec is the adjacent side of the theta, adjacent BD by AB. BD is A and AB is 2A. Then AA cancel, that is 1 by 2. What is tan 60? Tan 60 is sin 60 by cos 60. Sin 60 by cos 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. This is 1 by 2. 2 cancel, only root 3. Like that, cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by, cos 60 is 1 by tan 30. Cos 60 is 1 by tan 60. Tan 60, what is the value of tan 60? Root 3. Means root 3 is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is, next one is sec 60. Sec 60 is 1 by cos 60. 1 by cos 60. Cos 60, the value of cos 60 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is equal to 2. Like that, cosec 60. Cosec 60 is 1 by sin 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So 1 by root 3 by 2, that is root 2 by root 3. Like that, if we measure sin 30, where is 30 degree? 30 degree is here. 30 degrees here. This one 30 degree. Sin 30 means if this angle is 30 and it is the required angle, what happen? P is, this one is P here now. This is P, this is S, this is B. So P by S, that means A by 2A, 1 by 2. Look, sin 30 is 1 by 2. Okay. Like that, cos. If we look over cos 30, then the adjacent side is this one, root 3a by 2a. That means root 3 by 2. Look, this is root 3 by 2. Okay. Now, after getting sin 30 and cos 30, you can find tan 30, cot 30, sec 30, cosec 30. What is tan 30? Sin 30 by cos 30. 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2. 2 cancel, 1 by root 3. Like that, cot 30, 1 by cot 30 is the reciprocal of tan 30. So 1 by tan 30. 1 by tan 30 is 1 by root 3. That means root 3. Now, look. Sec 30. Sec 30 is 1 by cos 30. Cos 30 is equal to how much? 1 by cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So 1 by root 3 by 2 is equal to 2 by root 3. Like that, cosec 30. Cosec 30 is 1 by sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is 2. So now, if we prepare the table, what happened? Look, this one is sin A, this is 30 degree, 60 degree. If sin 30 is 1 by 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Like that, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2. Tan 30. tan 30 is 1 by root 3, tan 60 is root 3. Cot 30 is root 3, cot 60 is 1 by root 3. Sec 30 is 2 by root 3, sec 60 is 2. Cosec 30 is 2 and cosec 60 is 2 by root 3. Now we go to if the angle is 0 degree. To find the angle that is 0 degree, we have a special provision. What is that special provision? Look, how can this theta becomes 0 whenever this side becomes less. Look, this C is now comes to here. Then theta is less. Then here, what happened? This C is very much closer to B. Then this theta is much less. Then look, this one. When C coincide with B, then this angle, then this SC side is above the AB. So here theta becomes 0. BC tends to 0 because BC is no more. Now BC is totally dead. BC tends to 0. AC is equal to AB. Then this hypotenuse SC is equal to AB. Okay, look, this is H, this is P, this is B. BC, this BC becomes 0 and AB B. AB is B and also H. When BC 0, then AC is equal to AB. So H is equal to B. So now what can I write here? P is equal to 0, B equal to H. Then look, if sin theta means sin 0 degree, theta is 0. 0 means P by H. P. Sin 0 P by BC means BC. Here BC 0. 0 by AB is here not AB, here SC. This one is wrong one. This one is 0. Okay. Then cos theta. Cos 0 is this one AB. B by H. B is equal to H. B is equal to SC by SC is equal to 1. So cos theta is equal to 1. Then tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta is 0 by 1, 0. Cot theta is 1 by tan 0. We know tan 0 degree is 0. 1 by 0 is infinite. Then sec 0 is 1 by cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. 1 by 1 is 1. Then cosec 0. We know sin 0 is equal to 0. So 1 by 0 is infinite. Infinite means value meaningless. Okay, so now the table is sin 0 0, cos 0 1, tan 0 0, cot 0 infinite, sec 0 1, cosec 0 infinite. Okay, next we find out angle 90 degree. Look, how can you find the angle 90 degree? When theta becomes 90. How can theta becomes 90? Now when this A is more closer to B. Look, this one is theta. This theta tends to 90 degree. Look, this is more greater. This is smaller, greater, then greater. This time these cases will happen when that AC is equal to AB. Then AC is equal to AB means theta is equal to 90 degree. Then AB tends to 0. This AB tends to this AB, totally AB. If this is theta, this is H, this is B, this is P, means here B is equal to 0 and P is equal to H. So sin 90 is equal to sin A. Sin A means P by H. P by H means P is equal to h, P by h. Here P by h, P जो h is equal to h. This means once means here look sin A. P is BC by SC. We know BC is equal to SC because P is equal to P is equal to H. So SC by SC is equal to 1. Like that cos 90. Cos 90 is equal to 90. This one is theta. So adjacent is AB. AB is equal to 0. So AB by AC, 0 by AC is 0. You now find out sin 90 cos 90. You can measure another without looking to the figure. Now tan 90 is equal to sin 90 by cos 90 is equal to 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is equal to infinite. Like that cot 90. 1 by tan 90. Tan 90 is infinite. 1 by infinite is 0. Like that sec 90. Sec 90 is equal to 1 by cos 90. Cos 90 means 1 by 0 is equal to infinite. Like that cosec 90. 1 by sin 90 is equal to 1 by sin 90 is 1. 1 by 1 is equal to 1. Now the table is like that. Sin 90 is 1. Cos 90 is 0. Tan 90 is infinite. Cot 90 is 0. Sec 90 is infinite. Cosec 90 is 1. Okay. Now we prepare a table, and how could we remember this value? Look, I am giving you a trick. The value of sine is starting from 0 degree, 0, half, 1 by root 2, root 3. The table is slight, you have to change it. This one is 45 degree and this one is, look, this table you cut it down. Look, because repetition 45. Look, 0, half, this one is 1 by root 2 and this one 60 is root 3 by 2. This one is 1. Okay, starting from 0 to 1. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Like that, just reverse of sign. This is 1, starting from 1 here. 1, this is root 3, this is root 3 by 2. You write this one is root 3 by 2. This one is 1 by root 2, just reverse. This one is half. This one is 0. So this is that sine, the angle of sine A starting from 0 to 1, that is 1 to 0. You have to only remember the sine. You can write another all things. I remember sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is 1 by 2, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, sine 60 is root 3 by 2, sine 90 is 1. This is starting from 0 to 1. And this is cos is just reverse. 1 to 0. First one is 1. Then before 1, just write 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Like that. 1 root 3 by 2, just reverse. And this tan is just, you have to only you have to divide it 0 by 1, 0. 1 by 2, root 3 by 2. Just divide 2 to cancel off. 1 by root 3. This is same. This is just cut it down, cut 1. Then this is 2 to cancel off. This is root 3. 1 by 0. This is infinite. Like that. Cot is just reverse. What is the reverse of 0? This is infinite. What is reverse 1 by root 3? This is root 3. Reverse is 1. This is 1 by root 3 and this is 0. Like that sec A. Sec is reverse of cos 1. Reverse of 1 is 1. Reverse of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. Reverse of 1 by root 2 is root 2. reverse of 1 by 2 is 2. Reverse of 0 is infinite. Okay, like that. Cosec is reverse of sine. 0 sine of, what is the reverse of 0? Infinite. Reverse 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 2. This one is root 2. This one is 2 by root 3. This one is 1. Okay, so this is all about the 8V chapter. In this chapter we know the how can you calculate the sine 0 degree, sine 30 degree, sine 45 degree, sine 60 degree, sine 90 degree. This is the short trick. First only you remember, in the examination this is not you question how can you find the sine 45 degree. This is not a question, only problem is given. You have to only remember the value of sine 0 degree, sine 30 degree, sine 45 degree, sine 60 degree and sine 90 degree. And I give you the short trick that you can only remember sine, then you can find cos, you can find tan, you can find cot, you can find sec, you can find cosec. So how can you find sine A, sine, again I remember, repeat this thing, sine, the value of sine A is 0, half, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, then 1. And what is the reverse of sine is cos, 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, then 0. And like that you have to remember. Thank you.